Guys, this trading platform is your one-stop, super complete trading platform that you need to go ahead and check out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Stonewall Capital. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is a distinguished financial services provider and it offers a comprehensive CFD platform that is designed to cater for both novice and experienced traders. So the platform is supporting trading across a diverse range of assets, which includes currencies, commodities, stocks, and indices, which are accessible via the user-friendly web and mobile application. And just like what I told you earlier, guys, this is your one-stop trading platform. Basically everything that you need for you to be able to do all your trading transactions online. Now guys, to enhance your trading experience, Stonewall Capital provides professional technical analysis tools, which is very, very vital for you to be able to increase the profitability of your trades. And it features a built-in indicators in analytical objects, which enables traders to execute informed decisions with ease. Because again, they understand that each entry and exits are very, very vital, and clients benefit from personalized assistance from trading specialists, so ensuring the tailored guidance throughout their trading journey. So that is actually one thing that I really, really love about them, is they have that guidance from trading specialists. This is actually very, very crucial, especially for those that are novice or the entry-level traders. That way you would have guidance and you would be able to learn and have that really good direction into increasing the profitability of your trades. Now guys, the company emphasizes seamless financial operations and they are offering easy withdrawal process to facilitate efficient fund management. So unlike any other trading platforms out there, I mean, I'm not going to mention any of those, but they have like a complicated way of how you could withdraw your funds. So for Stonewall Capital, guys, you would be able to withdraw your funds seamlessly. And guys, operating under the stringent oversight of the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, or otherwise known as the FSCA, Stonewall Capital is actually upholding the highest standards of regulatory compliance, which ensures a secure and transparent trading environment. So that is very, very critical, especially for the ones that does a lot of trading. We want to make sure that the platform is safe and transparent, because again, you don't want to, put in all your assets, put in all your money, and then one day it'll all disappear just like that. So security is one of their most top priorities in Stonewall Capital, which is really, really good, guys. And one more thing, the platform is equipped with advanced risk management tools, which includes the take profit and stop loss options, as well as the profit and margin calculators, which empowers traders like us to assess and mitigate the potential risks effectively. Because again, we don't want to do everything manually. For us to be able to know and mitigate the risk even when we are offline, right? When we put the trade, we already put the stop loss right here, and we already have the take profit set. So that trade is all set and we do not have to do it manually anymore. Now, this one, guys, and this is one thing that I am amazed about them, guys, is with a presence in 34 countries, Stonewall Capital is committed to delivering exceptional customer support, which is available 24 hours a day to address any inquiries or concerns promptly. And that is one thing that I love about them is, if I have any questions at any time of the day, I would be able to send them a message and I would be able to get a response as quickly as they can. Now, the platform offers both basic and pro modes, which accommodates traders of varying experience levels, and they feature intuitive functionalities such as the drag and drop comparisons and the ability to be able to manage multiple trades simultaneously. And guys, through their dedication to innovation, transparency, and client-centric services, Stonewall Capital has established itself as a trusted partner in the global trading community. And you got to go ahead and check them out, guys. There's a lot of information that talks about Stonewall Capital in their websites. That way, you would know who they are, what they do, what are their plans in the future, what are the features and benefits that they are offering for you to be able to make your trades efficient. All right, go ahead and check. This is highly recommended, guys. All right, guys, so I would also like to take this opportunity to show you the actual Stonewall trading platform right here. Okay, so this is when you have already logged in. Okay, so you have real and demo accounts. You could create an account and you would be able to add deposit right on top right there. If you click on it, you have different payment methods that you could take advantage of. You can see your balance right here. And of course, I wanted to show you how the web trader looks like. Okay, so this is when you click on web trader, it will load up this page where you would be able to see on the left side, there's a lot of different trading pairs that you could choose from. Okay, so you could also, set up your favorites according to how you want it. So if you click on show favorites, you would be able to just show all the trading pairs that you like. Okay, and then you have the basic and the pro. Now, as you can see, I like the dark mode. I'm not a fan of the bright mode. That means too bright for me for some reason. All right, so make sure, of course, to know what you're getting yourself into. Study your technical analysis and all of those stuff. So you could click on or hover over this. Okay, you have bars, lines, candles, Heiken, Ashy, hollow candles, basically whatever you are, whatever your preference is, you can go ahead and check on that. So you have cross line here, Y line. So if you click on this one, X line, trend line, parallel channel. Again, those are very important and very helpful features that you would be able to find in Stonewall Capital's web trader. Now, if you click on go full screen, now this is actually what I prefer. I mean, I would like everything to be on. So if I don't need to click on any other tabs right on top, like the accounts, wallets, tools, documents, all those stuff, and I would just like to really see the trading part, okay, I would just click on go full screen and then bam. Okay, you have just the charting, you have the pending orders and all of those stuff right here. So exposure, history, all of those will be available at the bottom of your page. Now, if you want to go back, just tap on the escape button on your keyboard and we'll go back to where it used to be. Now, if you click on tools, so you have different stuff right here. You have download for PC, Windows, you have for Mac, you have for App Store, okay, and you also have for Google Play. So basically, this Stonewall Capital trading platform is available on any of those platforms that are shown here. The PC, okay, the Mac, the Apple apps, iPhones, and you also have your Google Play. So iPhones or tablets and all the iPads and all that. So if you click on documents, you would be able to see these ones right here. Identify document, proof of residence, card verification, your password, general documents, and all those good stuff. And this is what I like about this Stonewall Capital as well, guys. If you click on news, it will show you article, like the latest and greatest news that are happening around cryptocurrency, around Forex, and all those stuff. So cryptocurrency, stocks, indices, all of those are right here. So these actually dictate and has a great bearing on, the pumps and the dumps of all those trading pairs that you are trading. So make sure to go ahead and check them out right here. So we actually checked out Stonewall Capital. They are a one-stop trading platform. Go ahead and give them a check. Their website is in the description of the video. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.